Welcome. In front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how we can activate turn on time feature. So we have to tap on the menu button on your remote control. Next you have to move to your clock by using right arrow, press it three times, then use bottom arrow to go below, and here we got this feature to turn on time. So let's tap on it, and as you can see at the first we can pick the date, so we can go for every day. We can pick it once, we can go for every day, from Monday to Friday, from Monday to Saturday, and from Saturday to Sunday. And here we got also the Sunday. And here we can pick the hour. Let's pick maybe 8 o'clock. And there we got the minute, so let's go for straight 8 o'clock. Here we can pick the source. So there we got the satellite, DTTV, ATV, AV, HDMI, first, second, DMP, and that's all. And if you pick the satellite, you can also pick the channel, but currently I'm unable to make it because I'm not connected to the satellite. But if you are, you can just switch it by tapping on the left and right arrow as we set up other settings. And there we get the volume also, so it's simple to change. Let's pick it on the 10. And after that you can just simply tap on the menu button to go back, and as you can see everything is saved. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.